How do I use this phone?
Really? Is it? Okay.
Well, she's looking like if you take a picture, she's going to know. He said she's already snapped the photo. All right. Thank you very much. No worries. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the day. How are you guys?
Got fun? What's
Do you have any questions?
No worries.
How many seats? Well, we have the pilot here. The crew chief rides in the front seat unless we're going to hoists, rescue someone. Then he'll move to the back seat. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Generally, that's the maximum fly width if we're going on a mission. Now, if we're going to drop water, they will land, and since I'm the paramedic rescuer, I will grab a lot of weights, take it out and put it on the ground, unhook the snorkel, which is like a big straw, and then I will let them know that the snorkel is down, and they will fly away and leave me at the golf course or wherever we've decided to get water from. That way, all my stuff is together, all my paramedic gear is together. In the event that we have to make a rescue, they will fly back and pick me up, and then we can go to the mission that we're assigned. It does a multi-mission, so we can do fires, we can do paramedic hoists, or we can land on the freeway and pick up patients there. We can also do large animal rescue. It means that we use this as a lifting platform like a crane. So if a horse falls down in the wilderness and gets hurt, we will go out with Heavy Rescue 6 and other technical rescue technicians. We'll put on the harness, and then we will lift the horse up with the helicopter. We'll fly it over to where we need to and set it down. So we also do some slip water rescue as well. There's one of our pilots right there. Our pilot today has been a pilot for 28 years. He's been doing a lot. You guys want to come up here and sit down? All right, well, you guys have been waiting in line, so I know you didn't come here just to hang out with us. We have that effect on everybody. What's your name? Troy, why don't you have a seat? You're 5 and a half?
Yeah, I'm taking one for you guys.
All right, well come down here, sit here. Sit next to your favorite sister. Act like you care about her. I got a sister, so I can say that. All right, you guys want to jump down? Ready? A squadron fighter should fire. You ready? All right, superstar. You ready?
Okay, let's go.
I like them shoes.
Watch your legs here, yeah.
No, we can't. We don't want these things. They come with a stench. What's your name? Dominic, I'm Jason. Nice to meet you. Give me up. There, right here. And then you look me in the eyes when you say that. That's what I tell my kids. Right? You let them know you're the man. You want to climb up this ladder? I know you do. Come on up. Jump up in here. I'm from the South, man. My parents were in Michigan. Sorry, I do. My name. You got a good looking haircut, dude. I didn't even go to sleep. You can jump in here too. I'll take your pictures. This handsome man right here doesn't need to sit by himself. Come on. I got you. Would you jump? You ready? Yeah. My hair okay for the picture? Absolutely. Here we go now. 1, 2. That's a nice smile. I'm really liking that. All right, keep it up. I like it. Own it. Be the tiger. Boom. There's about 20 of them.
Thank you to Mr. Jason. Robert.
We'll do, man. We're gonna take a picture. Want to look at it?
Enjoy the day. If you guys haven't been in the courtyard, there's some cool things for little ones in the courtyard over there. Kids can walk in.
You're asking it.
I got, yeah.
No, thank you guys for coming. Yes, ma'am. Dominic, you behave. Be brave, be strong, and remember who you are. Woo! Woo! You're welcome. Well, thanks for coming and supporting us. You take it easy, right? Have a great day.
Say it is easy for me. I'm on it too.
Right? Well, remember those days?
Right? No, I don't.
No, neither do I. I wish. My kids got it good.
Yeah, they don't.
I'm like, my kid just said, Dad, I'm tired. I'm like, don't take it back. Oh, there it is. Are we doing them already? Cheese. All right. That's good. Still take a picture. Smile, smile. We good? All right, let's get a picture.
Yeah, question?
Questions? When they bring you up here, I'm like, I can't touch anything except for the handle. Good? Okay. All right, then you good. You good. I got you. I promise. I brought my muscles today. All right, nice. Thanks for coming. What's up, man? I like that coat. Can I fit in there? I can't fit your coat, but I can fit here. An elephant? No. Elephant won't be able to fit inside.
We got an elephant tunnel here.
Yeah. That's how we pick up water.
Come on inside.
Come on in, have a seat, pop a squat. Okay. What are you on there?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good, Chris.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
I got it.
Ready? You want to look at Big Bob here? And boost
Thank you.
All right, nice work.
Thank you.
There it is. There we go.